Hey guys, it's Robin, our Silent Crafts. Welcome to my craft room. This week I thought I'd show you a few of our favorite stuffed animals that I've either knit or crochet. And if I can find the patterns, I'll go ahead and link them down below. But a lot of the times I either just decided to make it on my own, or it was a test pattern for someone, or something that never came back out. Sometimes it's hard to find these patterns, but I'll do the best I can to put links down below in the description box. Our first guy is little Mr. Nomi here. I really had a lot of fun working with the fun yarn for a while. I went through one of those phases. It was really popular several years ago. Gnomes have always been popular. They come and go as time comes by. I see a lot of sewing ones now that are really kind of cute, but this was just a crocheted one. I think what we were doing is, if I remember right, the reason he's red, white, and blue is for a month of July one time we were doing like a take-along. You take them on vacation, and everywhere you went on your July vacation for the 4th of July and stuff, you take them and you'd post pictures. It could have been in a Flickr group, I'm thinking about then, or maybe we did it on our blogs. I don't remember. I just remember we would take him wherever we went, and we'd take snapshots around town or if we went on vacation. So there's Mr. Nomi. This bunny has always been a favorite of everyone's. I know this one I did as a test pattern for a lady. Way back, once again, most of this stuff, since they're crocheted, I did these type of amigurumi stuffed toys many years ago. His little headphones are actually, they came from a free thing I got for Christmas or something, and this was like on a snowman or decoration around a wine bottle or something. I don't remember what it was meant for, but I thought it looked like really nice headphones for this guy. So he's just always worn his little headphones. He's got his floppy ears. And the tail is actually crocheted instead of just making like a yo-yo. So that is been spiraled round and round and round. So that was kind of fun, and I like how it gave that big old tail back there. So there's my bunny. Now this guy is my favorite. He is Eddie Eagle. I believe I made him when my daughter Miranda was in the Army, because, was it in the Army that she had someone that was, they were in like the Eagle Squad or something like that? I kind of think that's what it was. I want to say I made two of them, a crocheted one and a knit one, and sent one off to her, or it went to a friend of hers that was really into eagles. We're talking probably 10 years ago. But he's got the fun fur. And this guy, he sits up on a bookshelf in the living room, so I see him every day. And I really like him, and I want to go ahead and make some more of him. So I'm going to see if I can pick up some more fun fur in the white. I already have plenty of these types of eyes. And if you can see, I added some felt to the back of them, just so that it held all the fun fur down and it stayed out of the way, and it gave that little dark rim around the eyes. But he is all knit. And this was before I really started knitting all that well, so I think I can make him even better. He's just basically red heart yarn, but this is one of the older ones, and it's starting to get a little bit fluffy and stuff, just from being, because I go like this to brush the dust off of him. He doesn't go in the washer or anything like that. And he stays up out of the way so he doesn't get any cat fur or anything on him. But I really like this guy, and I really do like bald eagles too, so I think I'm going to see if I can find his pattern in my Ravelry pages and make another one. So those are my stuffies for this week. Come on back next week and I'll show you another group of them. Bye! P.S. Don't forget to check out your Flashback Friday video up there in the iCard.